If you're seeking engineering consultation or need expert guidance in your projects, don't forget to visit our website, www.eprogrammer.com. Stick around till the end for insightful tips and tricks. Remember to like, share, and drop any questions in the comments below. Import Matplotlib pyplot to create visual output. Import NumPy to handle array and numerical operations. Define a function to draw the multiplication table. Calculate the multiplication table data. Create a figure and axis for plotting. Display the table data as a colored matrix. Add a color bar to indicate values. Set X ticks to correspond to the table size. Set Y ticks to correspond to the table size. Label X ticks with numbers from 1 to n. Label Y ticks with numbers from 1 to n. Loop over rows to annotate cells. Loop over columns to annotate cells. Annotate each cell with its product. Display the plotted multiplication table. Prompt user for table size and store it in n. Now we run the program, and here is the result. It's fascinating to see how the code transforms into a functional tool. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and share. Your support is greatly appreciated. And if you're in need of expert consulting for your projects, be sure to visit eprogrammer.com.